Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Bishal Tech YouTube channel, and today I talk about how to create a TikTok account. If you want to learn and know, watch this video beginning to end. And if you want this video in Nepali, check out the description box. Without any delay, let's start the video. At first you have to download TikTok or TikTok app, and you can download it from Play Store and easily from the link given in the description box. After downloading the app, we have to open the TikTok app, and after opening the app, here you can see this type of interface. So you have to click here on me option. After clicking there, here you can see a interface of sign up option. So click here on sign up button. Then friends, in the down of the interface, here you can see option of sign up. Then click here on sign up option. Then friends, here asks to log in about use a phone number, by continue with Facebook, by continue with Google, by continue with Twitter. So today I talk about to create an account with Facebook. So you have to choose continue with Facebook. Then click here on Facebook. After clicking there, now here asks to join to continue. So click here on continue. Then friends, after click on continue, here asks to fill your date of birth. So here asks when's your date of birth. So here you have to fill your date of birth. So I am filling my date of birth, like you can also fill like me, 20 August. Then after click there, then click on next button. After filling your date of birth, here again asks to fill your username. Here asks to create your username. So you have to fill your username here. So TikTok already suggests you to fill your username. So I am filling here different username. Then after filling here my username, you have to click on here sign up option. Then after click on sign up option, now successfully your account will be created like me. And now friends, here you can see a new TikTok account of Bishal Sunar. This is my TikTok account which I have created now. So friends, by this way you can easily create your TikTok account. So how was the video friends? If you like the video, click on like button and comment below how was the video. And if you wouldn't have subscribed the YouTube channel, please subscribe it for new upcoming videos and press the bell icon for new updates. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, stay safe, stay home. God bless you. Amen.